The Awakening of Swami Vivekananda. In the city of Kolkata, a bright young boy named Narendranath Datta loved to question everything about life and God. His parents admired his sharp mind. His mother said, "My son, you will do something great one day." Narendra was fearless. Once he climbed a tall tree. Despite people warning him of ghosts, he laughed and said, "I don't fear lies." As he grew older, he started asking saints and scholars, "Have you seen God?" But no one gave a satisfying answer. One day, he met Shri Ramakrishna Paramhans, a humble saint, at Dakshineshwar temple. Narendra asked the same question, "Have you seen God?" Ramakrishna smiled and said, "Yes, I see God just as I see you." Narendra was shocked. For the first time, someone spoke with truth and confidence. He started visiting Ramakrishna often, learning about love, service, and seeing God in every living being. After Shri Ramakrishna passed away, Narendra and his friends began living as monks, renouncing all wealth and comfort. Narendra now became Swami Vivekananda, spreading the message of truth, courage, and unity. He traveled across India, seeing people suffering in poverty. His heart ached for their pain. He said, "The best way to serve God is to serve humanity." One day, he heard about the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago, USA, and decided to go there to represent India. He had no money, but people who believed in him helped. He traveled by ship for weeks. In Chicago, he waited days to speak, hungry, tired, but determined. Finally, on September 11, 1893, Swami Vivekananda stood before the audience and began, "Sisters and brothers of America." The crowd erupted in applause. They felt his warmth and spiritual power. He spoke about love, peace, and respecting all religions, saying all paths lead to the same truth. He became world famous overnight and inspired millions to follow the path of strength and compassion. One day, while meditating by the river, Swami Vivekananda opened the Bhagavad Gita. He read Lord Krishna's words, "Stand up and fight for the right cause. Do your duty without fear and desire for reward." Tears filled his eyes